Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, good afternoon. I would like to say thank you for coming in our presentation. It's great to see you all. Let me introduce myself and my friends. I am Wika Agustina as moderator, and my friends are Indah Utami, Dini Nur Alpiah, Teresia Dwiyanti Tiara, Melisa Nuraini, and Carolina Putri as presenter. We are from Group of One. In this opportunity, we would like to present the hospital team and present progressive tense. Our topic in this material in conversation who works in a hospital, workers in a hospital, vocabulary, reading the text, present progressive tense, and exercise. Then it will be read by presenter.
Okay. Joe started to work in a public hospital as a nurse. Today, he is having training with the manager of the hospital. Welcome to Ken Hospital. I do hope you can work best there.
Thanks a lot, Mrs. Janet. I also hope that I can work well here.
Today, I am going to explain you the hospital team.
Sure.
A hospital is like a city. It needs thousands of people to run it. Furthermore, they must work together in order to run everything well. Do you know what the highest position in a hospital is?
A hospital manager.
You're right. This hospital has two big teams. The first is clinical department, and the second is non-clinical clinical.
I see.
The clinical department consists of doctors, nurses, and pharmacists.
So I am in the clinical department, are not I?
Yes, you are. All the members of this team must perform good teamwork. Therefore, all the duties can be performed well.
Sure.
The clinical department is divided into several units, so you will be in the pediatric unit.
I see.
I do hope you can work well here with team. Now, let me introduce the members of your unit.
Sure.
Workers in a hospital. A hospital is usually divided into two parts, clinical unit and non-clinical unit. The following are workers in a hospital. Clinical unit, hospital jobs. Animal assisted therapy, terapi bantuan hewan. Advanced practice nurse and APN is an RN who has taken additional training beyond nursing school. Perawat praktik lanjutan APN adalah RN yang telah mengikuti pelatihan tambahan di luar sekolah keperawatan. Anestesiologis, ahli anestesi. Attending physician, menghadiri dokter. Kardiologis, ahli jantung. Clinical nurse specialist, spesialis perawat klinis. Certified registered nurse, anestesis. Ahli anestesi, perawat bersertifikat. Dietitian, ahli diet. Dokter on call, dokter yang dipanggil. Endokrinologis, ahli endokrinologi. Fellow sesama. Gastroenterologis, ahli gastroenterologi. Hematologis, ahli hematologi. Hospitalis, rumah sakit. Licensed practical nurse, LPN. Profit basic care, perawat praktis berlisensi LPM menyediakan perawatan dasar. Medical assistant, asisten medis. Medical lab technologist, teknisi lab medis. Next.
Medical student, mahasiswa kedokteran. Nephrologis, ahli nefrologi. Neurologis, ahli saraf. Nurse, CRNA, RN, LPN, or LVN, CNS. Perawat, CRNA, RN, LPN, LVS, CNS. Nurse practitioner, praktisi keperawatan. Onkologis, ahli onkologi. Otolaringologis, ahli THT. Psikiatris, psikiater. Pulmonologis, farmasik. Apoteker, ahli paru. Psikologis, psikolog. Psikiat, ER doctors, surgeons, hospitalis, dokter, dokter IR, ahli bedah rumah sakit, psikian asisten, PA works under the supervision of a doctor, asisten dokter, PA bekerja di bawah pengawasan dokter, registered nurse, RN gives medication, perform small procedures such as drawing blood, and closely follow a person condition. Perawat terdaftar, RN memberikan obat, melakukan prosedur kecil seperti mengambil darah, dan mengikuti dengan ketat kondisi sekarang. Resident, a doctor who has graduated medical school and is knowing training in a medical specialty area. Resident, dokter yang telah lulus sekolah kedokteran dan sekarang sedang berlatih di bidang spesialisasi medis. Rheumatologis, ahli rheumatologi, spesialis, surgeon, ahli bedah, other medical staff medis lainnya. Next.
Chill like specials offer comfort and the sense to talk about feeling, yaitu spesialis kehidupan anak atau menawarkan kenyamanan dan kesempatan untuk membicarakan perasaan. Distension, yaitu ahli diet, health educator, specials who work as part of a medical team, teaching patient about a particular health condition and how to manage it. Pendidik kesehatan atau spesialis yang bekerja sebagai bagian dari tim medis mengajar pasien tentang kondisi kesehatan tertentu dan cara menanganinya. Occupational therapist work with people to improve condition and motor skill, yaitu terapis kerja atau bekerja dengan orang-orang untuk meningkatkan keterampilan koordinasi dan motorik. Pet therapy volunteer, relawan terapi hewan peliharaan, farmasi, apoteker, physical therapist, terapi fisik. Respiratory therapist, terapis pernapasan. Social workers focus on improving the emotional well-being of kids and their families and help coordinate health care. Pekerja sosial atau fokus pada peningkatan kesejahteraan emosional anak-anak dan keluarga mereka dan membantu mengordinasikan perawatan kesehatan. Special language therapist, terapis wicara bahasa. Volunteer, sukarelawan. Tes, radiologi, tes, ultrasound tes, surgical tes. Radiologi tes, ultrasound tes. Teknologi bedah, terapis. Physical terapis, radiation terapis. Ahli terapi fisik dan terapi radiasi. Next.
Hospital jobs. 1. Case manager or social worker atau manajer kasus atau pekerja sosial. Kedua, akun atau akuntan. 3. Human resource and recruitment, accounting atau sumber daya manusia dan perekrutan. Eksekutif, CEO, CFO, CIO, eksekutif CEO, CFO, dan CIO. Information technology. Information teknologi, teknologi informasi, administratif asisten atau asisten administrasi. Next.
Vocabulary. Complete the following sentence with the words in the list. A nursing officer, petugas keperawatan. Auxiliary nurse, perawat bantu, part-time paruh waktu, qualified, memenuhi syarat, challenging, menantang, medical medis, rewarding, bermanfaat, and apply for a job, melamar pekerjaan. Next.
Reading text. Next week. Read the following passage and answer the question. A multidisciplinary team involves a range of health professionals from one or more organizations working together to deliver comprehensive patient care. The ideal multidisciplinary team for the delivery of the Health One NSW model of care include general practitioners, community health nurse, allied health professional, and health educator. Multidisciplinary team confer many benefits to both the patients and the health professional working on the team. These include improved health outcome and enhanced satisfaction for clients, and the more efficient use of resources and enhanced job satisfaction for team members. To ensure optimum functioning of the team and effective patient outcomes, the role of the multidisciplinary team member in care planning and delivery must be clearly negotiated and defined. This requires respect and trust between team members. The best use of the skill mix within the team, a great clinical governance structure, a great system and protocol for communication and interaction between team members. These issues are complex and achievement of them can involve significant change to work practice and organization arrangement, as well as multifaceted implementation strategies. Next.
Baca bagian berikut dan jawab pertanyaannya. Tim multidisiplin melibatkan sejumlah profesional kesehatan dari satu atau lebih organisasi bekerja sama untuk memberikan perawatan pasien yang komprehensif. Tim multidisiplin yang ideal untuk pengiriman model perawatan Health One NSW meliputi dokter umum, perawat praktik, perawat kesehatan masyarakat, profesional kesehatan sekutu, dan pendidik kesehatan. Tim multidisiplin menyampaikan banyak manfaat bagi pasien dan profesional kesehatan yang bekerja dalam tim. Ini termasuk peningkatan hasil kesehatan dan peningkatan kepuasan bagi klien, dan penggunaan sumber daya yang lebih efisien, dan peningkatan kepuasan kerja bagi anggota tim. Untuk memastikan fungsi tim yang optimal dan hasil pasien yang efektif, peran anggota tim multidisiplin dalam perencanaan dan pengiriman perawatan harus dinegosiasikan dan didefinisikan dengan jelas. Ini membutuhkan rasa hormat dan kepercayaan di antara anggota tim, penggunaan terbaik dari campuran keterampilan dalam tim, struktur tata kelola klinis yang disepakati, sistem dan protokol yang disepakati untuk komunikasi dan interaksi antara anggota tim. Masalah-masalah ini merupakan pencapaian yang kompleks dan dapat melibatkan perubahan signifikan pada praktik kerja dan pengaturan organisasi, serta strategi implementasi beragam aspek. Next.
Present progressive tense. Next. The form of the verb or used to express an action that is attacking, place now, friends, or plan in the future, yaitu present progressive disebut dengan bentuk kata kerja yang digunakan untuk menyatakan tindakan yang kita lakukan sekarang atau rencana di masa depan. Next.
Positive sentence. Rumusnya itu subject plus is or am or are plus verb ing plus object. Example. I am watching TV now. Saya sedang menonton TV sekarang. Noel is writing a book now. Noel sedang menulis sebuah buku sekarang. Vian dan Rina are eating bananas. Vian dan Rina sedang makan pisang. We are playing football right now. Kami sedang bermain sepak bola sekarang. Next.
Negative sentence. Rumusnya yaitu subject plus is or am or are plus not plus verb ing plus object. Example, I am not watching TV now. Saya tidak sedang menonton TV sekarang. Noel is not writing a book now. Noel tidak sedang menulis sebuah buku sekarang. Pian and Rina are not eating bananas. Pian dan Rina tidak sedang makan pisang. We are not playing football right now. Kami tidak sedang bermain sepak bola sekarang. Next.
Interrogative sentence. Is or am or are plus subject plus verb in plus object. Example, am I watching TV now? Apakah saya sedang menonton TV sekarang? Answer yes, you are, or no, you are not. Is Noel writing a book now? Apakah Noel sedang menulis sebuah buku sekarang? Answer yes, he is, or no, he is not. Are Vian and Rina eating bananas? Apakah Vian dan Rina sedang makan pisang? Answer yes, they are, or no, they are not. Are we playing football right now? Apakah kami sedang bermain sepak bola sekarang? Answer yes, we are, or no, we are not. Next.
Present progressive tense verb change. 1. Present progressive tense verb ending in silent E. Arrive, jadi arriving artinya tiba atau sampai, baking atau artinya memanggang, breathe, breathing bernafas, come, coming datang, dance, dancing menari. 2. Present progressive tense verb ending in consonant vowel consonant atau CVC. Beg, begging meminta, begin, beginning memulai, chat, chatting mengobrol, get, getting mendapat, jog, jogging artinya berlari-lari kecil.
3. Present progressive tense verb ending in A. Day, dying, meninggal sekarang. Lie, lying, berbaring. Tie, tying, mengikat. Fight, fighting, bersaing dan bertanding. 4. Other example of verb in first. Acting, berperan. Attending, menghadiri. Break, breaking, memecahkan. Burn, burning, membakar. Buy, buying, membeli. Next.
Okay, thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon.